Kumshi benta ban penkre ya National Games ka banlong house nam 8,000 arpo nyau hapo ka jela Meghalaya na kalyang joka Meghalaya arm wrestling kalaya wer ki Samla ka jela Meghalaya syaka jinge kun kti ka ban sedang nadu ka arpo nyau tarik nailur hadu sau tarik risau 8,000 arpusan ka banlong Shillong College habaya kran syakilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club haka tarik unailur 8,000 arpusan u presiden ke MAWA uba June Star Kharbuli ula ong bakane ka de ka kabuk siar ya pat ba nong song snong ka jela ban wan nation benta hakane ka jinga khun kti nadu ki school ki college bat ki office sarkar ba pher ki gym bat ki wei de
te college bori bi bro te munyiwan hanin da singi ko ban ai ga along advertisement nang ta kane ka even ka ban salong menta tengah du napo ka police department nga invite ke pangi ki Antami police na jong suan kong siya ka event ka Meghalaya State Open. Teka banlong haka ako kanay tarik hado punyo hado South tarik. Te kanya ka police department mga invite ya kiwi department ru kanya di kabuk siya official ba pinyawan simentas alwanya simentas siya kanya ka event nambang inyo jet na mataki ni kiban yang namtakan dengan national game ko banlong hapo arja kunyo. Tangatay kulisyon.
Nga we Khot yang ka Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association Meghalaya te ko putte ba japi wa daw em gani ka scouting arm wrestling do woro uri ga Meghalaya nadu ki college nadu ki school nadu ki firm ki corporate government office woro daw em ga jing select scouting ni bah kini national game ni bah daw man ga first time do India when we like what wacha include ka national game kan arm wrestling te di ni pa ong pi wa one chakmat one yele ke do em ka senior category hai em junior mi em senior te so one do man kan do ka arthadu trik hadu ka so trik yang ka long bana Oktober eta po Shillong College te kerpa di puro ino yele ke ko pi chimenta so one yele chimenta ka ni ka jile ke arm wrestling Khubor to kan adu kendiu ji step adu manadat tei cha nduje nyawa jero just ibu cijar
kerana em ya sengore
Meghalaya station kami ke Mawa ya kami ainu berkumpul macam semua kau di kendaraan ya kami lah event ini jika saya muslim ya kami yo bentah ketinang national game kepunta nak lihat untuk Mawa ni pendapat pak di Khubor ya kami sedang syua dan kata jing scouting lembah orang kita bentah jadi grasu kata long ke college kami sedang berkelas dengan Shillong itu lagi universiti pilu kita jipuli kabar dan dia ke office kabar ni bentuk lang pilu Khot di distrik Khot dengan pencah desi tien garu kunjur tien enam pada kunjur itu berduna Khot di dalam ni le sign language kabar wala reach out dari kecenderungan paro dari hari PH ni ya ka venue in Sablong hangge Shillong College di dalam bulan September nanti aku tarik ada gawe India Shillong College kita kerja hari Sabtu event di CTO Sydney di kunta kejeng pelong amal Sydney ni sabun shine dan pau dengan poster dan flyers even mention untuk kesini ke bandai nam taki college kesini ke bandai nam taki district nam taki office but juru nam taki gym di kami bandai ke jingjit ke Kerpang ban penkret pat nam taki upcoming national game ke Banlong host dan aku nyong di ngidan ho di coach na po Meghalaya satu penemuan Andre yang sebanyak lambat di international coach hakaba benai Oktober dan November yang lah bantuan ke tak di selection athletes lembaga ke event harangkan begitu di athletes di belakang lembaga nak liang dan ke kedua juga Mawa ya kabangin ya trainer but ingin sangat kuat dan great dan saya mana ni kebaca hitam hakini Khubor kisnan ke benuan ibanya pun namun tak 39 national game bat ni kermenro kani ke cukup great jengi kan wanyalam yuso watiam wasyam bat lama kani ke jing trash tom jengi kum kamawa ngani scam ba ninyo ke jinjok jing siso bishwon bisijak
The Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, we came here to give an announcement to the resident of Meghalaya itself that as we all know that in 2027 the Meghalaya will be able to host the 39 national game. So as part of this national game, arm wrestling has been selected to be one of the disciplines to be part of this event. So since we are being selected to participate in this 39 national game, the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association has taken initiative to conduct the scouting event. So this scouting event has been named as the Meghalaya State Open Arm Wrestling Selection, which will be held from the 27th of September till the 4th of October. So in this event, there will be only an open category, which means there will be only a senior category. So the weight category will be as per the WAF rules. And we also encourage all the athletes from across the states to come and participate in this event, and we also encourage the institute whom we have sent invitation to come and participate in this event. And we would also like to tell that it is a historic in Meghalaya that it is the first time that the arm wrestling is being conducted both in the left hand and right hand. So we encourage all the gym, all the districts, all the institutes, the government offices, private sectors, and all the residents of Meghalaya who have the potential and who have that courage to come and participate in this event. So we would encourage even our friend from the para category. We encourage you to come and participate in this event, but we would like to let you know that it's only for the standing category. Sitting category will not be available. So this is the announcement from the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association.
Chakswa sakantikun ya Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association ni kita. Aro yan nambi kepa Khubor mga arm wrestler athletes na. Sekarang kepa Presiden Mawa po metal channel ska. Maringwan binirak biye kam ka anichi tau. Sekarang kepa chang na 39 National Olympic Game arm wrestling bak korana kita makin. Aro one ke selection process de inter college, inter college, inter school, office, adina gym, through gym kita select kongen. Aro wa event ko matken tau Shillong College, tau Riewbang pa ja September. Kolleksi ni apa cenggen? One completion day one antisan ongen pre October na. Angni mengsawan weteni de angni acik cadam berang na. Tau ye nambe ke opportunity nga panceng tau sports no dekai tawan de arm wrestling untuk naga taman ye nesong tau thangi belaka ko bantang ni changa bantang ni belaka ko mesuk na mangen one date one kolleksi September ongen mani kemen yano talgo opportunity nga tau chini Meghalaya sarkar ni kita ye tane kita ba machine kita de mani kemen pancung participate kau tau 39 Meghalaya games Honggen tau Riewbang ba hajar kun kolleksi niyo jerangan medal ko ba rasung ko apa games state na one sedikit anjing ni si Cemsar Konrad saman kita wina gede de medal apa barang na biar nama ni ko apa gain ya kana dewan dikya ala anjing angni acek cara biar na watenga langsung bakura na gede mangen bantang ni belaka cara ko mesok na mangen orang ni wetene de metela.
What is your name? Your name?
Last bird.
Last bird?
Yang suatu malam ni